Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Scottsdale local and long-distance movers near me. Need to move to the vibrant city of Scottsdale, Arizona? The 3 Movers team of local movers are at your service. With over 20 years of experience in the business and enough practical experience under our belts, 3 Movers can help you with anything your Scottsdale move requires. If you're moving long distance, there are a few key qualities you should look for in a moving team: professionalism, trustworthiness, eye for detail, reliability. And these qualities describe the 3 Movers team perfectly. We are fully trained and insured, and ready to lend a hand with anything your long-distance move needs. Here's a quick rundown of how the process works. Reach out to us for a chat. Get a free quote to see how much it will cost. Wait for us to get to your house and start doing our thing. It's that simple. If you have any questions about our services or how we can help, our customer service team will be more than happy to talk to you. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Scottsdale moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.